Hey guys, I welcome all the viewers in this video and my YouTube channel as well. So guys, in this video I'm just talking about there are 51 new features added in Windows Server 2019, and I will be talking about like comparison between all the 51 features available in Windows Server 2019, 2016, 12 and 8. So you should know what is your requirement and which server you can use. I hope this video will be informative for you guys. If you feel it is informative, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment in this video and share this video and like this video. And before that, before going further, I will tell you I have uploaded one more video. In that I have explained about 19 more features, like for application, how they have given more features and what kind of support in server 2019 basically, and Azure, how you can use 2019 and how it is useful for Azure. And now in this I'm talking about 51 new features, so whether they are supported in 2008, 12 or 16. So guys, very first feature is known, like first of all you should know what is that feature and what is the role of that feature, then whether supported or not. So first one is like enhanced Windows Defender advanced threat protection, that is also known as let me take a highlighter, that is known as ATP. So it is advanced threat protection. Basically it is all about Windows Defender for security purpose. Is a new set of host intrusion prevention capabilities such as preventive protections, attack detection and zero-day exploits. So these are the, this one is very just like there is a antivirus server semantics. So there is a concept of threat protection like ATP. So they have given that kind of service in this version of Windows Server 2019, and this feature is not available in all the prior three versions like 2008, 12 and 16. So it will give you more security, and it will enhance like security capabilities of your infrastructure if you are using Windows Server 2019. The next one is shielded virtual machine for Windows. So just like shielded virtual machines for Windows use BitLocker to encrypt disk and state for Windows OS based virtual machines. If you have virtual machines, then they will be using basically BitLocker to encrypt disk, and I'm talking about these are the security purpose features available in all the servers. Okay, so BitLocker is also used for encryption, and this feature is available in 2016, 2019, but not in 12 and 8. Next one is guys for Linux. Okay, now just now the second one I told you about Windows, so it is using BitLocker. Now we'll talk about Linux virtual machines. So these like it protects Linux virtual machine from attack and compromised administrators in the underlying fabric and extensive threat resistance components. So again it is supported in 2019 only, shielded virtual machine for Linux, and it is not available in prior 3 version of Windows Server. The next one is HGS offline mode for shielded virtual machine. So what does it mean? Basically it allows shielded virtual machine to turn on when HGS cannot be reached if the security configuration on your HyperV host has not changed. So this is also not available in prior 3 versions, but it is available in 2019 only, security purpose. Next one, virtual machine connect to shielded virtual machine. So it enhances the interactive session experience by providing a secure console connections while interacting with the shielded virtual machine for Windows and Linux virtual machines. So you can have multi cross platform, and in that also it will work. This feature is also new in Windows Server 2019, not available in prior 3 version. Clustering hardening. So guys, it is a new feature. Basically New clusters running on Windows Server 2019 will not require NTLM. NTLM we need to configure at the time of clustering, which completely remove the requirement of Active Directory for cluster in Windows Server. So this is one of the very good feature which is available in Server 2019, because we need to have Active Directory for the cluster creation in prior versions, but in this they have removed it, and it is good. And this is also available in 2019. Cluster hardening. Next feature, SDN, encrypted subnet. So what does it mean basically? So it is a virtual network encryption, provide the ability for the virtual network traffic to be encrypted between virtual machines that communicate with each other within the subnet. So this is also available in 2019. This is new feature. And just enough administration, new feature. So it limits administrative privileges to the bare minimum required set of actions, limited in space, partially available 2008, 2012, but fully available, fully supported in 2019 and 16. Next feature, just in time administration. So it provides privilege access through a workflow that is audited and limited in time. Just in time, just enough administration. Now it is partially available 2008 and fully supported in 2012, 16 and 19. The next one, Credential Guard. So by name itself it is telling what should be the use of it. So Credential Guard uses virtualization based security to help secure credential information against advanced persistent threats on the system, and to protect it from being stolen by compromised administrator or malwares. So this is a new feature available in 2016 and 2019 only, but 12 and 8 will not have this. Next one, 11th feature, Control Flow Guard. So it helps against, it protects against classes of memory corruption attacks, basically Flow Guard. So new feature available in 2016, 2019, not available 12 and 8. Remote Credential Guard. So Remote Credential Guard, it works in conjunction with Credential Guard for remote desktop RDP session to deliver single sign-on, eliminating the need to pass credential to RDP host. And available in 2016 and 2019 only, no support for 2008 and 2012. Next one, Device Guard, that is also known as code integrity. So it helps ensure only authorized executable run on the server. So it is very secure feature, or very important. So it will allow only authorized executable program to run on server. Code integrity, and it is supported in 2012 and 6. It is not supported in 2012, 16 and 19 only. Next one is dynamic access control. So it enables administrator to apply access control permissions and restrictions based on well-defined rules. So you can create couple of rules here, and available in 2012, 16 and 19, but 8 it is not having. Next, App Locker provides policy-based access control management for applications. So it is available partially in 2008 and 12, 16, 19, fully supported. Next one is BitLocker. So again, it is like TPM, Trusted Platform Module, uses hardware or virtual Trusted Platform Module chip to provide chip basically for encryption. On disk we can use this BitLocker. So it is partially supported on 8, 12 and fully supported in 16 and 19. Next one is software defined networking, which is also known as SDN with IP version 4 or IP version 6. So it provides a method to centrally configure and manage physical and virtual devices. Additionally, Windows Server 2019 now support IP version 6 and dual stack IP version 4 as well as IP version 6. So it will support both. It was not available in 2008, but partially in 2012, 16 and fully supported in 2019. IP version 6 we can configure on this server. Next one, high availability RDS connection broker. So it helps to create fault tolerance connection broker for remote desktop services scenario, and it is also not supported in 2008, partially 12, 16 and 19 fully supported. Next feature, IP management, which is also known as IPAM, IP address management, and DNS. Now support comprehensive DNS and DHCP management with role-based access control, multiple Active Directory, forest, and DNS provide for traffic management, load balancing, split brain deployment, and prevention of DNS amplification attacks. So it is totally not supported in 2008, 12, partially 16 and 19 fully supported. 20th feature is, guys, latency optimization background transport, which is also known as LEDBAT basically. So with Windows Server 2019, we'll bring a latency optimized network congestion control provider. Okay, with this with the help of this feature, we can do lots of things like low extra delay background transfer, and it is designed to automatically yield bandwidth to users and application while consuming the entire bandwidth available in the network is not in use. When the network is not in use, so it will if that network is free, it will use entire bandwidth. Totally new feature in Windows Server 2019. This one, 16, 12 and 8 no support. Next, HTTP/2. So basically HTTP2 basically support for HTTP2 RFC 7540 in the native HTTP server. Now Windows Server 2019 delivers performance and security benefit to your website development with HTTP2. So it will give you more security, just like HTTPS, which is known as HTTP2 in this, and not supported 8, 12, fully supported 2016 and 19. Leap second. So guys, basically leap second support for occasional 1 second additional addition to UTC to adjust as Earth's rotation slowing, increase accuracy, compliance and traceability. I have not used this feature, so I'm just not able to tell you much, but it is supported in 2019 only because just now it came recently. Next one, precision time protocol. Basically it is also known as PTP. So it enables network devices to add the latency introduced by each network device into the timing measurement, okay, and thereby providing a far more accurate time sample than NTP. So basically you can say PTP is the enhanced version of NTP for time management. New, only 2019 supported, fully supported. Next feature, 24th, improved SDN gateway. So it is basically it is an improvement up to 3x or 3 times for GRE tunnel and IP security site to site VPNs. If you are using SDN gateway, you will get high security site to site VPN connections. So it is also new in Server 2019. Hybrid SDN gateway. So hybrid SDN gateway, it is multi-tenant highly available gateway that connect customer virtual network to Azure and other Windows Server powered cloud, high speed bands and local non virtualized resources. Hybrid SDN, not supported in 2008, but 12, 16 and 19 will be having this feature. Next one, distributed file firewall and micro segmentation. So dynamically segment network based on evolving security or application needs using a stateful firewall and network security groups. So this is also not available in two version, 2012 and 2008, but 16 and 19 it is having, fully supporting. Next question, virtual network peering. So virtual network peering is you have multiple region in your virtual network, basically on Azure. So you want to have communication between multiple virtual network. In that condition, you can use virtual network peering, basically. And it is new in 2019 only supported. Next one is software load balancer, a cloud optimized layer 3 or layer 4 load balancer that provide both north south and east west load balancing. And this is also new in server 2016 and 2019 only. Virtual networking, so it helps to create network overlays on top of shared multi-tenant physical fabric. Virtual networking, it is enhanced a little bit and supported in 2012, 16 and 19, but not supported in 2008. Next feature, network controller. So it provides a centralized programmable point of automation to manage, configure, monitor and troubleshoot virtualized network infrastructure in your data center. So this one was given in 2016 and now available in 2019. Next, hot add and remove for disk, memory and network. Allow you to add or remove any adapter or adjust amount of memory in virtual machine if they are running without any interruption. The memory adjustment capability work even when you have dynamic memory turned on HyperV host, and it is supported partially in 2012, fully supported 16 and 19. Next feature, Linux based free BSD workload. So basically, what does it mean? It enables most of the Windows Server software defined data centers feature for Linux and FreeBSD guest running on Hyper-V for increased functionality, performance and manageability. New, it was introduced in 2012, fully supported 2016 and 19 and partially supported in 2008 as well. R2 basically. So kernel soft reboot, it provides WSSD validated hardware faster reboot time, reducing application downtime. Completely new in 2019, but 16, 12 and 8 it is not supporting. Next, 34th feature, which is known as site aware failover cluster. So what does it mean? Basically, it groups nodes in stressed cluster based on physical location, enhancing key cluster life cycle operations such as failover, placement policy, hard beating between nodes and quorum behavior. So this is also very important feature in server 2016, fully supported, 2019 fully supported, but server 2008 and 12 it is not supported. This feature itself is not available. Now mixed OS mode cluster, just like it enables Windows Server 2012 R2 cluster node to operate with 2016 basically node. So it is available in 2012 itself and 16 and 19. It was not there in 2008. Next feature, cluster OS rolling upgrade. So what does it mean? Basically, it enables an administrator to seamlessly upgrade the operating system of nodes in a failover cluster from Windows Server 2012 R2 to 2016 or 19 Windows Server, that is known as cluster OS rolling upgrade. So it is available from Server 2016 and 19, fully supported. Next one, cluster sets. So it allows you to create large scale out clusters with greater flexibility of deploying and retiring clusters without sacrificing resiliencies basically. And new, totally new, this feature you will enjoy guys if you use Windows Server. There are lots of things new in this. Next feature, cluster wide monitoring. So what does it mean? Basically, it monitors memory and CPU usage, storage capacity, IO, PS throughput and latency in real time with clear alert when something is not right. Okay, so it is completely new and available in 2019 only. Now next feature, like if we talk about, that is storage health monitoring. Again, it will provide continuous monitoring, reporting and maintenance to support storage space directly. That is available in 2019, 2016, but no support for 2008 and 2012. Now next feature, that is virtual machine storage. I'm talking about now. I've started about storage features supported. So virtual machine storage resiliency, basically it provides intelligent means to retain virtual machine sessions state to minimize the impact of major storage disruption. So basically it was given in 2019, this is a feature, 2016, and now available in 2019 as well, but 12 and 8 no. Next feature, duplication of REFS. So REFS is a file system supported on REFS to optimize free space on a volume by examining the data of duplicated portions. This will help you to manage space on drives. So completely new, 2019 only supported. Next one, data duplications. So duplications for REFS they have given. Okay, now data duplication, what does it mean? So it provides a volume saving of up to 90% by storing duplicate files on volume once using logical pointers. Windows Server 2019 adds support for duplication with REFS volumes. So if you are using REFS, definitely this is the only default now available file system. So it is partially available in 2012, fully supported 16 and 19. Next one, storage quality of service. So it uses policies to define and monitor storage input output minimums and maximums for virtual machines to enable consistent performance across virtual machines, and it is available in 2016 and 19, but 12 and 8 it is not there. Next one is storage replica. So it provides storage agnostic block level and asynchronous and synchronous replication between servers for disaster recovery, and allows stretching for failover cluster for high availability. So this is partially available in 2016, fully available in 2019. Some improvement over 2016. Next one is USB thumb drive as cluster witness, also known as cluster witness. So basically it supports for USB thumb drive as cluster witness, allow two node HCI deployment basically with no additional dependency, and it is totally new for 2019. Next one is storage class memory. This feature basically it is for new generation of server hardware, including a storage class memory, which drastically improve performance for server applications. Next feature, it is partially supported, this one in 2016 and fully supported in 2019. If it is a partially, then there will be improvement on next version. 47th feature, which is nested mirror accelerated parity. What does it mean? So it enables two node cluster at the edge of survive. Basically, if we talk about nested mirror accelerated parity, so it enables two node cluster at the edge to survive multiple simultaneous failures. So if there is a failure, still there will be survival, there will not be downtime totally. So this is new, completely new. In next videos, if I prepare some videos 2019, then I will tell you how to configure all those things. Next one is mirror accelerated parity. That was nested. Nested means basically it is a group Okay, grouping multiple nodes, that then only it will provide survival at the time of multiple simultaneous failure. So mirror accelerated parity, it lets you create volume that are part of that are part mirror and part parity for 2 time or 2x better performance on storage space direct deployment. Right, land first in the mirrored portion and are gradually moved into the parity portion. Partially supported 2016, fully supported 2019. So next one is enhanced storage space direct, which is known as S2D. So it is a built software defined storage using industry standard server with local storage that can scale up to 1 PB per storage pool in Windows Server 2016 and 4 PB per storage pool and 64 bit per volume in Windows Server 2019. I think this is TB. I have made it PB. And this is partially supported on 2016, 2019, fully supported. Next question is storage space. So what does it mean? So basically it protects your data from drive failure and extend storage over time as you add drives to your servers. And this is the second last question of this video, guys, and it is supported in 2012, 2016 and 2019 and not supported in 2008. The last question of this video, which is unified management. So unified management in Windows Admin Center is an elegant browser based HCI remote management interface basically that includes software defined network configuration and monitoring, and it is partially supported in 2016, not supported in 12 and 8, and 2019 it is fully supported. So guys, in this video this much information only I tried to collect, and now you can define which one is suitable for your organization and your work. And I have spoken about security as well as storage in this video, and about application you can have look of my previous uploaded video. And if you find this is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video and share this video. And next video I'll be talking about something new in my coming videos. So till the time, good luck, have a nice time, and try to learn. If you have anything, you just put in the comment box. I will try to give you best of my knowledge. So till then, bye bye.